Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Manscaped product. This one is the Weed Whacker, and I'm looking forward to testing out this one. I'm not gonna try to gross you out, but we're all here for the same reasons. We got hair growing in our nose and ears. Most of us, it's in our nose, especially us guys. You don't wanna be that guy with the hairs growing out of your ears, or girls just don't wanna see nose hairs. Let's just be plain and simple. So you can do it, they're either the very painful way by plucking them out, or you can just shove this guy on in there and take them for a zip. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is waterproof as well, just like with their Manscaped 3.0 lawnmower. This right next to me is their performance package. If you guys haven't already checked out that video, in the description box below is gonna be my code, TIPS20. Go on their website, place any order for the Weed Whacker, for the performance package. You get boxers, you get a travel bag, free shipping, free international shipping, 20% off your order. Just use my code. It's down in the description box below. It has a premium 9,000 RPM motor, dual edge, 360-degree rotary stainless steel blade system. It has skin safe replacement head, cordless and rechargeable with a lithium ion battery. It has a 600 milliamp rechargeable battery, and that again is lithium ion, and it lasts up to 90 minutes of use. And this also is compatible with the Lawnmower 3.0 charging dock as well. Let's get the trusty old butterfly knife out for this one. And open her on up here. Welcome to the Manscaped movement. Very cool. That is nice and small. Definitely is nice with the Lawnmower 3.0, which compared side by side is a beautiful design right there. This, of course, is the Lawnmower 3.0. My code is good for 20% off any order, no matter the size or small. We have an LED light right here. We have our power button on right here. Probably need to fully charge it before we do give it a go. That's just kind of how lithium ion batteries are. But as you can see there, we have our rotation here. We're gonna go ahead and charge that before we do give that a go. Manscaped logo right on the top, motorized head here, skin safe, 5-volt, 1 amp, 5W, and our charger import right over here. Let's dig through the box and see what else we got. We have ourselves our little Manscaped drawstring bag, which is gonna have a wall adapter. Thank you, Manscaped, for including these. Most companies do not include these little power wall adapters anymore, assuming that we have a punch already, which we don't. And in this bag right here is going to be two things. We have our cleaning brush here and our power cord here. This is, again, compatible between both the Lawnmower 3.0 and the Weed Whacker, so you do not have to take two chargers with you. You can only use one or take one if you want. Now, to clean it, all you do is counterclockwise. That pops off. You can use your brush to remove any hair that's getting trapped anywhere in there. You can wash this, of course, and then when you're ready to go, pop that guy back on, and then clockwise, turn it to tighten. Now you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and charge this guy, and I'm looking forward to using it. So if you already have the charging dock for the Manscaped 3.0 lawnmower, you can just use that if you want. And here we are charging here. Well, my friends, we are charged up and we're gonna be ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and spare you the up close shot, and we'll just do it from right here. Go ahead and power it up. LED light once again. And it's just a simple on and off. There's no ultra speeds or anything like that. It's just a 1-speed thing. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Nice. No tingling. No itchiness. I like what I'm feeling. Different than other ones. No pulling. I'm getting all up in there. Huh. I like it. Seriously. No pulling. No itching. No like needing to rub your nose at all. It's been years since I've used one. Huh. I like it. And do the other one here. Same thing. Obviously, you're watching a grown man just dig up in his nose. There's nothing wrong with it. It's completely natural, folks. Huh. I actually am very impressed, folks. This is looking real good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open it on up, see what we got. A little bit of a debris in there, but again, I didn't have any crazy hairs in there, but there was enough in there where it was like, hey, yo, you need to do something about it. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through one more time. We'll go ahead and check the mirror. It did a great job. My long ones are gone. One thing I did notice though in the mirror though, because I can't see what I'm doing here, I needed to get the ones that were right above my mustache, right on the corner. So I did that in the mirror off camera right here, because I was digging around there, but I wasn't going straight in right here. Now, let's go ahead and just show you the ears. As same thing, no prickling, no tugging, no yanking. I don't really have any ear hair to begin with. I think the other day though, like a month ago, I did see like one long one. I was like, where did that come from? You guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you see like something on your back and you're like, where did that hair come from? It's like a 2-inch hair. That's disgusting. Anyway, guys, did a great job. Fantastic. 20% off. You want that deal? Tips20. Description box below is the link. Get 20% off this order. Get 20% off your brand new performance package with boxers and travel bag. So go ahead and pick up a couple of these. We got Black Friday coming up. We got Christmas stocking stuffers coming up. Great gift ideas. Free shipping. That link is below once again. Thank you guys for watching. Pick those stocking stuffers up. We'll see you guys in the next video. My name's Chris. Thank you again. Subscribe on that way out and hammer Thor that thumbs up button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.